Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this particular error in your Windows. It's actually quick and simple. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your search bar and check for any available updates. This is very important before we proceed, alright? So check for any updates. If everything seems fine, then we're good to go. Next, open your browser, alright? We need to download the specific file or program, okay? Go ahead and look for Net Framework. Click on the very first search results and make sure to download the latest version. Currently, as of today, we have 4.8.1. Right click on that so we can easily open this and manage on a different tab. Click on download runtime. Alright, it might take a few seconds. Click on the application, then just proceed with the installation wizard. Click install, continue, and once the installation is complete, close that. Then what we need to do is we need to enable Net Framework. So over here, go to your search bar and then click on or search for turn Windows features on or off. All right. Make sure this is enabled. By default, it should be. Click OK, and then we're almost done. We need to go ahead and restart your computer. Once done, you're good to go. This error should now be fixed on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video very helpful.